Every journey begins with a single lens, a choice to see the world not just as it is, but as it could be. Through each conversation, each line drawn, wisdom is passed down and dreams are imagined together. In the quiet moments before we move, we prepare not just our bodies, but our hearts. And then we step forward with courage, letting our rhythm speak what words cannot. When voices rise together, joy becomes a bridge, connecting soul to soul and story to story, because every voice carries light. And when light is shared, comes legacy. We've rehearsed, we've refined, and now we are ready to offer the world our best across every medium and every corner. A single purpose unites us: to express, to uplift, to belong. Like the fanoos, our light moves heart to heart, each one brighter because we carried it together. This is our moment, our movement, our time to shine as one Jamaat, one journey.
Let's go Southeast Asia!